Good evening, friends. Today we are at the Agraja Stadium. So we are at company stall at Harville Greens.
Harville Greens, yes.
Harville Greens. So what is it about? We see this is some different kind of farming.
Yes. So Harville Greens, Harville is an old company. We started in '82, but we ventured into hydroponics recently.
It's a form of irrigation.
It's you're growing the plants in water.
Okay.
So the plant is growing in water. There's no soil.
Okay.
Continuously the water is running.
Right.
And there's a tank. We mix the fertilizers in the tank.
All right. So the nutrients you get it from
nutrients
there.
are all there.
Great.
And it's a continuous system. You can keep it indoors. You can keep it in your balcony. You can keep it in your living room.
So this is for like domestic, or you're talking about production at the...
This kit is domestic, but
Yes.
we have done big projects. We've done a 14-acre project.
Okay. What did you plant? What did you grow over there?
So we can grow leafy greens. You can grow lettuce. You can grow strawberries.
Really?
Yeah.
Strawberries?
Strawberries. You can grow muskmelons.
Wow. That's great.
Yes.
So how much does this, what is the kind of investment one has to undergo?
So depends. This kit is very well priced. It's at about 37,000 rupees
Yes.
for a home kit. But
A working kit.
working kit.
Yeah.
It's for the house,
Yes.
for a indoor setup. But for a farm, for a big project, it depends whether it's a 1-acre project or a 5-acre project.
These are not the greenhouse things. These
So
are
we-
different.
no, we are
Or
also
the
into
greenhouse.
greenhouses.
Okay, you are.
We set up the greenhouse
Right.
and then we set up the growing system.
Okay. So because I have not seen this, I'm seeing first time.
Yes.
So therefore it made me stop here.
This is a slightly more innovative way of doing
Right.
hydroponics at home.
Okay. So when we are doing strawberry, say, so what is it? The same equipment?
Yeah, same equipment.
Okay.
We
And
can
how
just-
do you plant? Means you have to put the strawberry
Yeah, you put
seeds
the
or what is
seeds
it?
in this,
Right.
and then they'll grow, and then when it's full blown, you can take them to your table.
Okay, and you can, wow,
It's a farm to
and you
fork
call
concept.
It, okay, and is it organic, you would say?
It's totally up to
Totally
you.
up to you.
What chemicals, what fertilizers, what nutrients you
Okay.
put. The nutrients have to be organic.
The time which it takes to grow, is it the same which will grow in a natural environment?
Absolutely. The produce that grows in hydroponics is higher quality.
Okay,
It's better looking. You will see that the strawberries are looking bigger.
yes.
It's a much healthier and a more advanced way of growing.
Okay, and what with grapes?
Grapes.
No, you haven't tried.
I mean, you can grow
can-
everything,
anything, all right.
but this system is particularly good for leafy
Okay,
crops.
leafy crops,
Yeah.
yes. And another thing is when you're like, what temperature is maintained here? Do you have to maintain the
So,
temperature?
Yeah, I mean, a plant needs 20 to 25 degrees to grow.
Okay.
If the temperature outside is 45 degrees,
Yes.
we set up a greenhouse. We put artificial
For indoor also.
for outdoor.
Okay.
Indoor, of course, if you are sitting in an AC, the plant is sitting in the AC, right?
All right.
So
Yes.
it's simple.
Yes.
The challenge is outdoor because the temperatures are soaring high in Delhi NCR.
Yes.
So if it's 45 degrees outside, you need to create about 25 degrees inside, so a 20-degree delta,
Okay.
which we do using we've got several products, a fan and pad cooling system. We do that. We make the house for the plant, and then we put the plants
Right.
into it.
And then we see some lighting here on the top. So does it? What is this meant for?
So the lighting is because it's an indoor unit.
Yes.
We are substituting sunlight, and the lights are, they've got a spectrum which substitutes sunlight.
Okay. So it remains on for the full
It has
day.
to be on,
It
yeah,
has to be
yeah,
on.
yeah.
So if it's 6 months, 3 months, it has to be on.
It has to be on.
Okay. Where is this project? Where did you? Means who's developed this?
So this kit has been done by us.
Okay.
It's the
So who's the founder?
the founder is
Any
my-
scientist or yourself?
No, myself.
Okay. So,
But we've got a very strong technical team.
so you can tell about your background and your name.
So I'm an architect.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
Please come. No issues. You won't be anyway.
I'm an architect, and Harville was started by my father. So I'm a second generation entrepreneur.
Okay. What was his name?
Mr. Primal Oswal.
Alright. Is he present today?
He is present today.
Okay.
but
So
he's-
maybe we could meet him or you could share us his
absolutely,
pictures.
absolutely.
Great. So how did you think about this? How did your father?
We have been in agriculture since '82.
Oh, yes, you told me.
We work with micro irrigation. We were the first people to come up with PE-based sprinkler systems. And thereafter, we forayed into filtration. We went into everything related to agriculture. So smart agriculture or urban farming is slightly newer, but we have forayed into that recently.
I'm just realizing, seeing a plant here, that like you have marsh grass, right? Excuse me? You're not made in a glass factory. You're not made in the glass factory, you know. Yeah, I'm sorry. I thought you were in a made. Yeah. So what I'm saying is that when you're talking about marsh grass, so marsh grass has those qualities when it's if you wrap around money plant. So whatever moisture. So is it the similar?
No. We don't need to wrap the plant in anything.
Nothing.
This is a technology where instead of soil, we're using water.
Yeah, and the water, the pH value, and everything has to be.
pH has to be maintained.
How much is that?
So it depends plant to plant,
Yes.
1.5 to 2.
Okay.
Every plant has a different ECPH. In the tank, when we are mixing, we give you sensors. So you test the ECPH.
Right.
And then the water is done.
Wow. So that's a great and it's a very innovative thing which we've today seen here. So this is smart farming, urban smart farming.
Smart farming for the smart people.
For the smart people. So thank you.
Thank you
I think
so
we'll. You have anything else where we can take the pictures?
We've got this. We've got some filters on display.
So maybe I'll just quickly capture this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.